Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix access denied website error in Chrome. An access denied error in Chrome can feel like the website is blocking you personally, but usually it's not that dramatic. Most of the time, the issue comes from browser data, extensions, security filters, outdated settings, VPN conflicts, or a website's automated protection system misreading your request. What access denied usually means. This message often appears as access denied, forbidden, 403 error, you don't have permission to access this page, request blocked. It usually means the site refused your connection request. Common reasons: corrupted cookies or cache, suspicious browser extensions, VPN or proxy usage, region restrictions, security filters, browser outdated, temporary website issue. If you see the access denied message, open Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Why start here? Chrome settings contain the most common fixes in one place. You'll troubleshoot browser-side causes first. Fix 1. Clear browsing data. Inside Settings, click Privacy and Security. Then choose Delete Browsing Data. What to delete? Select Cookies and Site Data, Cached Images and Files. Then click Delete Data. Why this helps? Many access errors come from broken stored website data. Websites remember your browser through cookies. If those cookies become corrupted or outdated, the site may reject you. Clearing them forces a fresh connection. Fix 2. Remove or disable extensions. Go back to the three-dot menu. Click Extensions. Then review installed extensions. Remove or disable them temporarily. Why this helps? Extensions can interfere with websites, especially ad blockers, privacy blockers, VPN tools, script modifiers, security tools. Sometimes Chrome isn't the issue, your add-ons are. Fix 3. Reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings, Reset Settings. Then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm Reset. What this does? Chrome resets things like startup settings, search engine settings, disabled extensions, temporary configuration issues. Usually it does not erase bookmarks or passwords. Fix 4. Update Chrome version. Still in Settings, go to About Chrome or Version section. Check whether Chrome is updated. If not, update to the latest version. Why this matters? Older versions may cause security compatibility issues, website loading errors, TLS or certificate problems, broken modern web features. Outdated browsers quietly create weird problems. Extra fixes, often needed. Restart Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window and reopen. Restart device. Sometimes networking processes need reset. Try incognito mode, turn off VPN or proxy, change network, try mobile data versus Wi-Fi. To summarize, fixing an access-denied website error in Chrome starts by opening Chrome settings and going to Privacy and Security, where deleting browsing data can remove corrupted cookies and cache that may be blocking access. Another strong fix is reviewing extensions and removing or disabling them, since browser add-ons often interfere with site permissions and security checks. If problems continue, resetting Chrome settings to original defaults can undo broken configurations. Finally, checking Chrome's version and updating to the latest release helps resolve compatibility and security-related access problems. These steps cover the most common browser-side causes of access-denied errors. If the issue still remains afterward, the block may be coming directly from the website or network rather than Chrome itself. And that's how to fix access-denied website errors in Chrome. Don't treat every error like a mystery. Most are just system friction with predictable causes. Start with cookies, then extensions, then reset, then updates. Clean sequence beats random frustration. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.